Engineers inside the Neil A. Armstrong Operations and Checkout Building at Kennedy Space Center lowered the Orion spacecraft into a vacuum altitude chamber with the help of a 30-ton crane. The chamber simulates deep space to test for any electromagnetic energy that could damage Orion as it travels away from Earth. Meanwhile, the Artemis II crew completed an underway recovery test at sea. This exercise mimics Orion landing and recovery procedures when the crew splashes down in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of California. Navy divers and boats approached a mock-up Orion capsule and helped the astronauts into helicopters, which then flew them to a nearby naval ship, just like they'll do during the mission. Back at Kennedy and high above Launch Pad 39B, this 360-degree video takes you for a ride inside one of the Artemis emergency egress baskets. In the event of an emergency at the launch pad, astronauts and workers use this quick exit to get to safety. That's a look at your Artemis Moon Minute.